activity. I'm a filmmaker. I work primarily with animation. I'm also an educator myself, and I work with students but also with children, and I inspire them to make animation and films.
So my name's Eero Tiainen. I'm a virtual reality creator, writer, director. Sometimes I call myself an experience designer, but I'm specialized in virtual reality as a medium.
I'm Nicola. I'm a filmmaker and an artist.
So thinking about the highlights of the experience, I absolutely love the speakers and all the people who come and do some activities with us. All the events have been both very informative, but then at the same time very practical. But also I absolutely love collaborating with the group, and I've worked with most of the participants, and we brainstorm and generate lots of ideas, and I absolutely love this creative collaboration.
I think the highlights are mostly connected with people that I've met here. And it's kind of a, to me at least, it's kind of an ultra social experience. The best moments I think are we are playing something together, co-creating something together.
Well, the summer Scriptwriting Base has it's been so fantastic. There's so many highlights. I particularly like the workshop with Francis, where we were in a magical realm, and we went through different stages and different realms to learn about immersive storytelling, and that was really informative. I've liked all the practical tasks we've had to do. We've had a lot where we've got into groups and made up live action role play. And every evening, the social life, we've played games that I didn't know about. Dixit, that's a highlight for me. Yeah, meeting people, and also just being in Bulgaria has been beautiful. Dolen's such a beautiful place as well.
What makes the Scriptwriting Base different from other experiences or other things I have participated is that it's very informative. There's lots and lots of content all the time, and it's very well presented content, and it comes from professionals in the field. So on the one hand it feels that it's a training, but at the same time it's very playful and very interactive, and the social aspect of the experience is also great. So I feel both inspired on a creative level, but also on a personal level as well.
Okay, so I have a background in new media. I've done my master's in new media, well, basically about virtual reality and participatory artistic activities and playful design, and how to combine all of this with narratives. So there's a lot of what I kind of was familiar with before, but it was like a lot of kind of a reminding, going back to the basics to me, and it never gets old. Kind of, it's actually good to be reminded about like a, let's say a monomyth or hero's journey, or some participatory techniques in theatre, for instance.
Well, I've never been on anything else like this, and I think the setting's really unique, and the amount you're actually doing and learning as well. It's really quite intensive, and I think you come away like having to think about what you've learned. I don't think it'll all sink in, you know, it'll take a long time for it to sink in, because we've done and seen and learnt an awful lot, so yeah.
Be open to the experience, be playful, be ready to share your creative ideas. be ready to share your creative potential, bring lots of tools to write down things. So sketchbooks and notebooks and anything you would like to scribe your experiences, and then just be ready to play and enjoy the environment.
It's quite intense, so it's good if you have some motivation in you, like maybe a project that you are working on, which is not too far yet, so that you still are like a little bit figuring out what you want from the project, what form it might take, even the contents, of course. But yeah, I think that's maybe the most fruitful moment to participate in summer scriptwriting base is when you are actually working on something, and then you can maybe in your mind apply these techniques, these tools, ideas that you gather from here to that project.
What advice would I give for somebody considering coming? I would definitely tell them to come along. They're going to meet lots of great people, they're going to come to a beautiful place, and they're going to learn lots of amazing new techniques and new things.
So when you come here, remember to hydrate. It's very hot, at least it has been this year. But yeah, there's some nice shades here, and it's not too bad, definitely. What else would I like to add? I think it's good if you can tap into your inner child and kind of come with a playful attitude. At least that helped me, so that's nice.